if you have a question about if something will grind or can't grind, and he's answered, I've never had him not know the question. He's that good. He's worth a lot to Rotochopper. I think the biggest thing about Rotochopper over bigger companies is just their service and hands-on. Come right down and help you if you needed it, you know. They're just so much more hands-on than anybody else that I've dealt with. For the bigger companies, you know, they do all right, but you're more or less a number, and the warranty is only as good as that dealership says. Where Rotochopper will go beyond that to help you.